This is one of those machines that immediately sets a new baseline for what high-end actually means in 2026. Not just fast, not just powerful, but built from the ground up to push every modern workload to its absolute limit without hesitation. At the center of this build is Intel's Core i9-13900K, a processor that still holds its ground as a performance monster. What makes it stand out isn't just peak speed, but how consistently it delivers under pressure. Heavy gaming, background streaming, rendering timelines, compiling projects, or running. Multiple professional applications at once, it doesn't fall apart under load. It just keeps going. Then you pair that with NVIDIA's GeForce RTX 5090, and the entire conversation shifts. This is not just a graphics card for high settings. This is a GPU built for pushing visual boundaries. Ultra-resolution gaming, real-time ray tracing, AI-enhanced rendering, and extremely high frame rates all come together in a way that makes modern games feel closer to real-time simulation than traditional gaming. The visual fidelity is on another level, and the performance headroom means you're not constantly compromising settings to stay smooth. Memory is another area where this system clearly doesn't hold back. With 64 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, multitasking becomes almost irrelevant as a concern. You can run massive games, editing software, browser tabs, creative tools, and background processes all at once without noticing the system slowing down. It's designed for users who don't want to think about closing apps or managing resources. Storage is equally aggressive in its approach. A 4 terabytes PCIe SSD removes one of the most common bottlenecks in modern computing: waiting. Boot times are nearly instant, applications open immediately, and large game worlds load without the usual delays. It's not just about having space, it's about eliminating friction from everyday use. Cooling is handled by a 360mm all-in-one liquid cooling system, which is critical for maintaining stability in a setup like this. High-performance CPUs and GPUs generate heat when pushed to their limits, but this system is designed to keep temperatures under control even during extended heavy workloads. The result is sustained performance without thermal throttling, and surprisingly controlled noise levels for the amount of power being handled. Visually, the system is enhanced with customizable RGB fan lighting. It adds a modern aesthetic layer without distracting from the core focus of performance. Whether you prefer a clean, minimal look or a more vibrant setup, the lighting can be adjusted to match the environment. Power delivery comes from a 1000 WPSU, which provides more than enough overhead for stable operation and future upgrades. Stability at high load is essential in a system like this, and having that extra headroom ensures the components are always operating within safe and efficient limits. Connectivity is fully modern across the board. Wi-Fi 6 ensures fast and stable wireless performance even in crowded networks. Bluetooth 5.2 makes pairing peripherals seamless and responsive, and RJ45 Ethernet support gives you a direct high-speed wired connection when latency and stability matter most. Everything is designed to keep performance consistent no matter how you connect. Out of the box, the system runs Windows 11 Pro, giving access to advanced features for productivity, security, and professional workflows. It's ready for both gaming and serious work environments without requiring additional setup or configuration. What makes this system stand out is not just the individual components, but how well they work together. There's no weak link in the chain. Every part is selected to support sustained high performance, whether the workload is gaming, content creation, 3D rendering, or heavy multitasking. It's built for users who don't want limitations to appear at any point in their workflow. This is not a casual upgrade path. It's a long-term performance investment. A system like this isn't about chasing today's requirements. It's about staying ahead of tomorrow's demands. Even as software becomes more demanding and games become more complex, this setup is designed to remain relevant for years. For anyone looking for a no-compromise desktop that delivers top-tier gaming performance and professional-level computing power in one machine, full details and availability can be found through the link in the description. At its core, this is what extreme performance looks like when every component is chosen without compromise and every bottleneck is removed.